So we've decided to introduce my dog to my cat, who does not like the idea of dog living in house. Hey baby. No, we don't need dog around here. Poppy's nice. Do you want to pick her up in your arms for a second, baby? I'll pick her up in my arms. Poppy, I'm not attack her anyway. Do you want to hold her? Here, put 2 treats on the table and get her up there. She'll not scratch you. We're a big bushy tail. You can come in a wee second, Poppy. Oh, the hiss! The first hiss! Here, come here up here, darling. Kush, go up and get your treats. Come on, darling. The big tail. Here, hold that a second. Look at that. Try and catch it, but you can't. Come here, wee woman. Oh. Here, sit you up there and enjoy some of them. What's them? Eh? Stay. Come on, Poppy. Sit, Poppy. Poppy, sit down. Sit in your bum. She smells it. It's okay, pet. It's alright. Kush. She's trained. She's seen hundreds of cats. Good girl, Poppy. There, big woman. Look at the shape of that. Look at the shape of that. Have you ever seen anything like it? It's alright, darling. Kush, it's okay. She's not interested in you. She's not going to have cat for dinner tonight. Look at that. That's the sun. Here, there's your Jimmy's. Here, wee woman. Here. Poppy's a friend. She's a friend of ours. Oh dear, look at that tail. Look at that big bushy tail. Watch that iron doesn't go out. We should have really let them both start off in a room that they weren't already in, you know. Like have Poppy in the garage and bring her in. Well, you don't want, you know, a cat sits where it wants, you know, you don't lift the cat and put it anywhere. There's a wee treats, pet. Take it down a level. She can't take her eyes off the dog. She won't take her eyes off her for a second. It's going to take a couple of acquaintances before they're friends, I would imagine. There, baby, look. It's alright. That big woman. I think it would be alright to feed a dog cat food. But it's the same meat, like, probably coming from the same factory. Look at that bad wee woman there. Oh, oh. But Poppy's going to eat her treats. Now you're really going to cause problems, Poppy. Here, try 1 or 2. He didn't just eat that. How dare he? Look at the face. There. Oh, listen to her. Pet's alright, she's not moving in forever. She's just down to see you. To remind you you're not so tough. Look, Pet. Don't do that. You don't need to hear those noises. Go and take you a walk, big lady.